Alright boys, we're out here with the RealACC R20. I already lost one of the legs on this thing. They just fall off of there so easily. Here it is in the bag. Yeah, these things need to be glued on. If it flies away, I have that extra one, you know, because of that deal. There, the camera's movable too. I might just tip it down just a little hair. All right, we're gonna start some video. Yay. Let's do it. Let's check the battery in the video. Turn it right up a little bit. Is this the Tello killer? We shall find out. Look at the pitch on that thing. Holy cow. Get back here, homie. That thing almost got away from me. That thing spins so fast. That pitch. Look how fast that thing spins around. That yaw speed on that thing. Holy cow. I think I'm going to turn the rate down. Okay, we'll put it in the second rate. See how that works out. Even in the second rate, this thing's fast as hell. Okay? Even in the second rate, it's fast. See if the video's still recording. Yes, it is. Good. Oh yeah, this is the one I couldn't get to flip. I remember that now when I was doing the unboxing. Let me see if it'll work today. Nope, it's like the flip button and the rate button are the same button. So it just wants to override and go on the... I did get it to work once off camera. Nope, it's not doing it. Oh well. This thing flies. It's a hell faster than the Tello, I can tell you that right now. Even in the Tello, the high speed mode. So the flips don't work, but you know, I don't really care about that. Uh-oh, I hit something. Oh, that was the headless mode button. Let me turn that off. I meant to hit the rate button. Okay. It just all depends on what the battery life's gonna be, you know what I mean? Look at that thing. I know I'm gonna crash because I lost the orientation on it. Yay! But the video crapped out. God damn it. When it was doing that super spin right there, I lost the direction I was going. Yeah. This thing is definitely super duper quick. Okay, you've seen them spins, right? Okay, this is the second rate. That third rate is like some kind of acrobatic rate, because it's really fast in that rate. Look how fast that thing is, man. That thing is quick. Wow. Let's check out the punch out speed. That's in the second rate, which I don't think the punch out speed's that much different from the second rate or the third rate. But we'll try it out. No, it's about the same. So that doesn't change that. It changes that spinning though. Okay, this thing here, it only has those little green lights on the front that you can tell your orientation with it. So, if you want to go into that third rate and do those crazy ass spins, just put it in the headless mode. That way you can bring it back if it gets out of control. Let's try that anyway to see if it's working. Oh no, that was the return to home. The headless mode was this one. Yeah, it works. Okay. Yeah, so the headless mode works. It's just these flips I can't get to work. Nope. Can't, they just won't work. Oh well. Something's wrong with this controller too. But at least it'll fly the quadcopter. The other one wouldn't even work, so. Battery seems to be holding up real good. I'm gonna cut the video now, so at least I won't lose it in case the battery takes a dump. I don't know what kind of low battery it gives you. It flies great, guys. It flies just like the Tello and the Mambo, but it's faster, okay? It's faster, no doubt, especially in that high rate. It'd wipe them out in this high rate. It's way faster than them two. I think the battery just died. And it did, but that's okay. Flew great. And then of course my little turd crash over there, just I couldn't avoid that. I couldn't see where the hell I was going. These motors get pretty warm too, boys. So they're sealed. It's not like you can lube them up or anything. So all right guys, that's it. The RealACC R20, a real classic. But it is a nice flyer, man. It flies really good. So let me check the audio portion of the recording. It's over 11 minutes, so they take a minute out for that walk of shame, and it probably went for 8 minutes. All right guys, I'll talk to you later.